Hey, here's an unboxing video, which is about the lamest thing on earth, but I was looking at SA2020 helmets because my 2005, which I made like a fake 2010 sticker for to buy a few more years, expired. So I was looking for one and not really seeing what I needed to see with the pictures that they had online. So this is a Zamp RZ-56, I think it is. It's SA2020 rated. Has a little bag. Let's see, we'll pull it out. And get it stuck. So here's the SA2020 sticker, which is really the main thing I was after. You got a little owner's manual with it. Tell you how to take care of it. The SA2020 has anchors. These here are actually anchors for like a Hans device. Let you pull those caps off. The shield that comes with it is clear. I had a tinted shield on my last one, so when I was searching for a new visor, I've heard them called visors and shields, I saw a link for an actual visor that's like a baseball cap visor, kind of, that takes the place of the shield itself, which would be nice to get a little bit more airflow through it. And actually, it should look pretty cool too. I'm going to pop the Zamp stickers off it too, put my own stuff on there. There is, as far as accessories, there is another like an air intake that you pull these little clips off here, little plugs, and it looks like a parasaur dinosaur basically with the horn on their head. But you can hook a hose to that, to your window or whatever and stuff, or a fresh air system, and get fresh air that way. I'm not going to deal with that. I'll just pull this shield off and run the visor open. One thing I was a little disappointed, it has the like the 2-loop buckle here. I was kind of hoping for one of those snap attachments on that, but that's not the end of the world either. Snell SA2020. When I looked online, they come in white, matte black, and gloss black, but the pictures of the gloss black really looked pretty matte or maybe satin, so it must just be the way they have their photo studio set up. But I was looking for gloss, and was happy to see this actually is a gloss finish, not like a satin deal. But if you're wondering what you're going to get, if you drop a couple $100 on a Zamp RZ-56, this is what you get, and it should be legal for another 10 years.